In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the font in Milanote in just a few clicks, which is perfect if you want your boards to look more organized and visually appealing. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and open the board where your note is located. Now, if you don't have a note yet but you wanted to change the font, it's super simple. Go to the left side panel of your dashboard, click the node, and as you can see, it gives you an instruction to drag it on the interface. Here you can start typing if you want, and as you can see right now, the font is too small and I don't like it. Okay, so for you to be able to change it, highlight the specific text you want to change, and what will happen is, as you can see, there is going to be more controls in the left side. So I'm gonna do that again. You see, here you can choose from the text style. Let's say it's gonna be like a large heading, normal heading, small text, and a lot more. Of course, you have the ability to choose the color. So it's white and I wanted to show some contrast right here. And if you wanted to put some highlight, you can do that as well. And then if you want to make it bold, italicized, strike through, you have so many options in the left side. Underlined, bullet list, which is perfect if you have multiple contents. Okay, so if you wanted to inline a code, hyperlink, you can do that as well. It's super simple to change the font here in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.